Welcome to all pre-pick tutorials.
Today I am going to show you how to create pattern vector in Adobe Illustrator. Please watch enter tutorial. Rectangle tool shortcut M. Draw a rectangle shape. Rotate 45 degree. Stars tool. Radius 1 10 pixel. Radius 2 0.4 pixel. Points 4. Select shapes and click on horizontal align center and vertical align center in align panel. Control 7. Shape builder tool Shift M. Click on shape using with the shape builder tool to divide shapes. Gradient panel Control F9. Left side gradient color R26, G26, B26. Right side gradient color R51, G51, B51. Eyedropper tool shortcut I. Pick color using with eyedropper tool. Left side gradient color R237, G30, B121. Right side gradient color R51, G51, B51. Type radial. Click on reverse gradient in gradient panel. Select shape and copy, Ctrl C and paste in front, Ctrl F. Apply overlay blending mode in transparency panel. Select shape and go to object menu and pattern and make. Tile type brick by row. Width 94 pixel. Height 46 pixel. Click on done. Draw a horizontal box shape and apply pattern in swatches panel. Finally, your Illustrator pattern design is now ready. Please follow steps and it's easy way to create modern pattern background in Adobe Illustrator.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe for new tutorials.